Well, it's early morning and we are in the German town of Zerbst, and it's very beautiful here. There's some big mansions as we came into town, and we got off the highway and we just took a chance and we found this park, and we're gonna bike through the park here. It's very beautiful. But look at this lake. Look at these birds. Look at these birds. Look at this. These birds, I think they're coming to beg some food. There's this lady here. Oh, here they come. Look, look, look. They think that the lady's going to feed them. Oh, don't they? She is throwing bread. They know what they're doing. She brought bread with her little kinder, her child, and they're feeding the ducks. But the main reason we came over here, we were over on the main highway there a little way. So let's go over here because we heard these birds. These birds are so loud. In Europe, if you've never been to Europe, you don't understand, but the birds are so loud, especially in the morning. Very loud when the sun's just coming up. Sometimes they're so loud they wake you up. And we had one woman, we told the German lady about the birds. The birds say, oh yes, yes, we call it the symphony of the birds. Every morning, and some places are much louder than others, but this is one of the loudest. So I'm going to shut up here just for a moment and you can listen to the birds. They're incredibly loud. I'm not turning up the volume. This is normal volume. Listen. It's still early in the morning, and we're deciding that we love Zerbst. Look at this. We're finding out that Zerbst was once a walled city, and these walls and towers here, they are probably 800-900 or more years old. Here, let's walk through here. And you can see the edges of the old walled city of Zerbst. Very beautiful. You can see the wall goes over that direction. And here's the wall here, and the tower. There's two towers. There's a tower here. And the gate to the city is here. And there's another watchtower over there. And we just love how in these German cities, the cars, they're entering the gates of the ancient city that's almost 1,000 years old. The Europeans have beautifully figured out how to integrate the ancient and the new, and it creates such beauty and very high quality of life. Well, sometimes people ask us, why do you bike across Germany thousands of miles? It is not easy. We have some rough times. We don't talk about those because we're always positive. But one of the reasons is that we listen to the birds. They're amazing sounds. And we see the flowers. There's so many flowers everywhere. We're flower crazy people. And you might be hearing it already. It's in the background here. Sometimes you hear
Froggy, the frog.
The frogs, yeah.
Frog.
Can you hear the frogs? Look at the pond right here. I'm going to shut up and you can listen to the frogs.